Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the last part of setting up your print preview for your workbook and your spreadsheets. That is setting a specific range of cells to print. So once again, we're going to head over to the page layout tab, and now we're going to fix over to the print area. Here you can either clear the print area that you may have set or set a new print area. So you've selected a single cell for the print area. That is because we have only selected one cell. So actually, before you go ahead and set your print area, you need to select the cells beforehand. So let's go down, select everything. More than enough than what we need right there. Let's go set print area. Now, if we go up to the little print icon and we go to prints, it's going to show us our print preview of our budget. It has cut out all the columns that we have. And because I selected down too many rows, it's also going to attach a couple blank pages there. But just to show you, you can set the print area as far as you want, even if it's blank cells, and it's still just going to print out the blank cells. Like I showed you before, you can also add your grid lines into this if you want to see where those columns and rows are separated as well too. And you can decide whether you want to print your active sheets, your entire workbook, or selection like we've already done right now too, and change your margins at the same time. So just set your normal margins on there as well too. Alright everyone, thanks very much.